This morning, I check my bag. Oh no, my homework is not there. I check again. I put my hand inside. Nothing. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. Today is a school day. I have homework for class. I did it last night. I worked for a long time. I think. Where is it? I go to the kitchen. I look at the table. Nothing is there. I look everywhere. I go to my room. I see something. I see paper. But it looks strange. I walk closer. I look carefully. The paper is torn. There are small pieces. They are on the floor. Wait. My dog is there. He looks at me. He is happy. He has paper in his mouth. Oh no. I feel shocked. I feel nervous. My homework. I look at the pieces. I pick them up. I put the pieces together. I check again. It is ruined. My dog wags his tail. He thinks it's a game. I sit down. I hold the paper. I have school. I take my bag. I take the paper pieces. I go to school. I walk slowly. I feel worried. I sit in class. I wait. The teacher comes. Homework, please. My heart beats fast. I stand up. My dog ate my homework. The class is quiet. The teacher looks at me. She looks at the paper. I give her the pieces. She looks again. She checks carefully. Then she smiles a little. The class starts to laugh. I feel embarrassed. But she is not angry. She understands. I feel better. I can relax. Today I wake up. I look in my bag. My homework is not there. I go to the kitchen. Nothing. I go to my room. I see paper on the floor. I look again. My dog has the paper. He eats it. I feel worried. I take the pieces. I go to school. The class laughs. But the teacher smiles. I feel better. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.